Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp update failed. If you just try to update the WhatsApp and you're not being able to do so, the first and the simple solution is you'll need to ensure you're connected to a stable internet and your phone has at least 1 GB of free storage. If your phone does not have any storage, or if you're not connected to a stable data, then your phone won't be able to update any sort of applications. The other thing that you can also try out is try to restart your phone. So just tap and hold the power button on your phone and then quickly restart it. Sometimes minor glitches on your phone will also cause these issues. What you can also try out is try to clear the Google Play Store cache and data. So just head over to the app of Google Play Store, tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon. From this settings page, tap on storage and then tap on the cache option. You'll also see the option called clear data. You can also tap on this option. Once you complete this step, try to see if you can now update the WhatsApp. If you're still having issues, what you can try out is try to uninstall the WhatsApp from your phone and try to re-download again. By following these few simple steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp update failed issue. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.